Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Remedies. If you're looking to brighten your smile naturally without harsh chemicals, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share some simple home remedies to whiten your teeth naturally. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the classic combination of baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda has mild abrasive properties that help scrub away surface stains, while lemon juice contains citric acid, which can help break down discoloration. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice to form a paste. Apply it to your teeth with a toothbrush and gently brush for 2 minutes. But remember, don't use this too often. Once a week is enough, as the acid could wear down enamel with overuse. Next is activated charcoal. Sounds surprising, right? But it's actually very effective in removing stains. It binds to plaque and toxins, helping to lift away discoloration. Just wet your toothbrush, dip it into activated charcoal powder, and brush gently for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly afterward, and you'll notice your teeth looking brighter. Another natural remedy is oil pulling with coconut oil. This ancient practice is believed to help remove bacteria and plaque, leaving your teeth feeling cleaner and brighter. Simply take a tablespoon of coconut oil, swish it around your mouth for 10-15 minutes, then spit it out and rinse with warm water. You can do this in the morning for a fresh whitening effect. Did you know that strawberries can help whiten your teeth? They contain malic acid, which is a natural teeth whitening agent. Mash up a ripe strawberry and apply it to your teeth for about 5 minutes, then rinse. The natural sugars in the fruit help dissolve stains, giving you a brighter smile. Lastly, remember to brush regularly and stay hydrated to prevent staining. Avoid foods and drinks that can discolor teeth, like coffee, tea, and soda. These natural remedies can help you achieve a whiter smile without harsh chemicals, but always be mindful of your enamel. If you want more tips, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments which remedy you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.